So currently I am in the Telegram channel of FTX. You can see here, this is the official Telegram channel of FTX. And what news I have is the bad news that FTX has been hacked. Chat is open regarding this, that this Telegram group chat is open, but FTX has been hacked, and they have already said that don't go on FTX site. Okay, if you're looking for going on FTX official site, then don't go on FTX site now. Why? As it might download trojans, and you know that trojans is not safe to download, as FTX site has been hacked. Now if you go on FTX site, it might download trojans and it will cause you a problem. Now if you're thinking of having an investment in FTX, then currently stop here. You don't need to have an investment in FTX because FTX has been hacked. Now let me share you some more news related to FTX. So I said that you don't need to invest in this coin now, and now why I'm saying this, because now this coin is hacked, and if you want to invest in FTX, you can after when the issue get resolved. If you want to invest in FTX, you can invest after the issue get resolved, but after that also if you want to invest it at your own research. But till now, if you want my opinion, for now I will say that don't go with FTX and wait for the issue to get resolved, because this news actually this news actually is very bad news that FTX got hacked. And if I talk now, then many investors are not going to believe it, but it's true that FTX got hacked. Currently you can say the price is ranging between $1.83 to $1.85, and there are some news also regarding the delisting of this crypto, but not sure about it. Okay, but the truth is, if you want to invest, then you can, but after the issue get resolved. For now, if you want to invest, then you will be at your own risk. And first we have seen Terra Luna, and now we have seen FTX. Nobody don't know that what will happen to any crypto in any future. So if you want to invest in any crypto, it will be better that you do your own market research. So this is just simple news related to FTX. If you come in coin market cap now, you will see a notice related to FTX, that FTX exchange has been hacked. If I talk about the FTX exchange, it is the second largest exchange in cryptocurrency market, and that's why when you come in coin market cap, and if you when you will search FTX, you will get to see this notice that FTX exchange has been hacked. So now wait for the issue to get resolved, and closing the video here. But before that, if you want to have an investment in any cryptocurrency, please do a proper market research, and if you want to buy any crypto in any exchange, please buy it safely. You don't know that what will happen with what crypto in near future. So don't invest all amount in any crypto, because we have seen a two example. First is Terra Luna and second is FTX FTT coin, and the way the FTX coin get crashed, it's really bad. And we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Till then, please subscribe my channel, and before investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency token coin video.